Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change dates on booking.com reservation, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So let's say we're going to book an hotel room for us. So I will recently visit to the Manila, so I will go to the Metro Manila and I will book an hotel for our users. So the time will be September. This one will be quite good. So I will click to the search and let's find out there is any options that we have. So we can go with this one, Red Rose at Lexel, and here you can see include high speed, this one getaway, no. So I will go and I will book this one. So here as you can see privacy defender, and then here it will take a couple of minutes. Once it come, then I will just click on this one. So our main thing was to how does we can able to change this one. So I will reverse. It will take only minutes, you won't be charged yet. So I will reverse, select your accommodation first. So I will select that one. So I think this one will be quite good. Okay, reverse the genius discount. Once I go over here, just click this one, reverse, and reverse this one. Great choice, and it will be done. So here you can see how easy the process was. Now you just need to provide your address and all things here. Once it's done, you are allowed to book an hotel. Once you book, now you will get the options to change the date from that place. So let's try to do it. So I will book this one first of all. So here actually you can see our booking is confirmed. So if now I want to change the booking date, how I can do it, and actually can do it easily. So here I just need to come over here to the my booking and trips, and so once I come over here, then I just need to go to the options, like this one will be my one. So I will go over here. As you can see, it already been confirmed. If I click this one, once I click over here, then actually they will give us the options where we can change our dates. So I will click this button, and then here you just need to scroll down. Once you scroll down here, you will get a couple of options to change dates. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can actually easily change your desired date. Like right now my current date is August 26 to 29. You can make it to 16 to this one, and you just need to check availability, and once you get this one, just send request to the property, and this way you can easily change your booking date from the booking.com. I hope you understand how easy the process was. Now you can easily do it for yourself. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.